Question number 3 of exercise 7.1. What is given in this question? Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. There are 3 points given and you have to prove that whether these points are collinear or not. First of all, what do you mean by collinear points, or what is the property of collinearity? Collinear points. Collinear points are those points. Collinear points are those points which lie on सेम लाइन. मीन्स ऐसे पॉइंट्स जो सेम लाइन पे लाई करते हैं उन्हें हम कॉलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहते हैं. सपोज दिस इज अ लाइन, लेट ए बी सी डी. As we know, infinite number of points can lie on line and all these points are collinear which lie on a same line. Using this property, we have to prove that whether these points are collinear or not. How we will prove it? Let A is 1, 5 and B is 2, 3. C is -2, -11. Here only 3 points are given. We will calculate distances AB, BC, CA. If sum of any two distance is equal to sum of third distance, then we can say that these 3 points A, B, C are collinear points. So let's do this question now. How we will do? First of all, we will consider these points. Let A is, what is our first point? 1, 5. B is, what is given? 2, 3. C -2, -11. Now we will calculate distance AB. You can take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Then AB will equal to square root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Then it will equal to 2 minus 1 whole square means 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, then it will equal to root 5 units. Because it is a distance, then we will write units. After it, BC. For BC, let it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. Then how we will calculate? -2 means this -2 में से हम इस 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, then we will get -2 and whole square plus -11 -3 whole square. -4 whole square plus -14 whole square, and square of -4 is 16 and square of -14 is 196. Then on adding we will get square root of 216 and it is in units. Then CA or AC, now we have to take these 2 points, then it is x1 y1 x2 y2. Then how we will calculate this CA? -2 -1 whole square means we will subtract this 1 from -2 -1 whole square plus -11 -5 -11 -5 whole square -3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 16 square is 256. Now on adding we will get 265. Now on checking AB plus BC, if we are adding these, it is not equal to CA, or if we are adding BC and CA, it is not equal to AB, or if we are adding AB and AC or CA, it is not equal to BC. Means sum of any of two distances is not equal to third distance, then we can say that these points are not collinear. So what we will write? No, these points are not collinear. Please note it down. If you are having any doubt, you can ask by commenting. Question number 4. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. For this question, we required previous knowledge, because what is asked here, you have to check whether these 3 points, as we know triangle have 3 vertices and 3 vertices are given, we have to check whether they form an isosceles triangle, or not. How we can conclude that it is an isosceles triangle? If 2 sides of a triangle are equal, any 2 sides, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. So for this, what we will do, we will find distance of these 3 points, or we will find side of the triangle. If measurement of any 2 sides of a triangle is equal, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. So let's see question number 4. What we will do, we will consider, let A 5 minus 2, B 6, 4 and C 7 minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. What we have considered, that they are vertices of a triangle. Now we will calculate their side or find side. Suppose we are finding AB, then how we will find? Using distance formula. Consider it as x1 y1 x2 y2, then it will equal to 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. Means we will calculate all its sides. Then it will equal to 6 minus 5, 1 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 6 whole square, 1 plus 36 means root of 37 units. Now we will find BC. For BC, let it is x1 and it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. You can take any point as x1, y1. Then BC will equal to square root of 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Minus 2 and minus 4. Then it will equal to 1 square plus minus 6 whole square and its square root. Now we can rewrite it as square root of 1 plus 36 root 37 units. Now we got 2 sides equal. Check third one also, because it may be an equilateral triangle. So for CA, let it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then CA will equal to square root of 7 minus 5 and its square root plus minus 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square. From here what we will get? 7 minus 5, 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2 means we will get 0. From here square root of 2 square root cancel out means 2 units. What we get? Because AB is equal to BC. This AB is equal to BC. Both are of square root 36 units. Then we can say that so ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. This is your question number 4. Now first of all we will do question number 7. We will do question number 5 and 6 after this. So look this question. Question number 7. What you have to find? Find the point on the x axis. आपको x axis पे point find out करना है. This is our x axis and this is our y axis, and where these two axes meet, this is called origin. We have to find a point on x axis. हमें इस x axis पे point find out करना है which is equidistant from, जो कि equidistant है. Suppose we are having 2 points here, 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. I have prepared a rough diagram because in this quadrant x is positive, y negative, and here x negative, y positive. Let it is point A, it is point B, and you have to find any point on this axis. We don't know where this point lie. We have to find that point which lie on x axis, which is at equal distance. Equidistance means at equal distance. Here consider one thing. On x axis, on this x axis, y is 0, and this question is very important. It has come many times in CBSE board. You can see it was in last year exam also. So what we will consider? Let P is any point and its coordinates are x and 0. Why I have taken it as 0? Because this point lie on x axis, and this point P is equidistant from A minus 2 9 and B 2 minus 5. As it is at equal distance, then AP will equal to BP. We can rewrite it as in short form, AP is equal to BP. If AP is equal to BP, then AP square will also equal to BP square. अगर AP BP के equal है तो उसका square भी equal होगा. Then how we will find AP square? A is minus 2 9, B 2 minus 5, and P x 0. Let it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Then we can find distance, and in distance formula what we take? Square root, and I have taken here as square, then no need to take square root. How can I write it? Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. It will equal to BP square. It is x1 y1, consider it as x2 y2. 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square. अब मैंने यहाँ स्क्वायर क्यों लिया है? अगर आप इसको डायरेक्ट करना चाहें आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, तब आपको वहाँ स्क्वायर रूट लेना पड़ेगा. आप स्क्वायर रूट को स्क्वायर रूट से कैंसिल आउट करेंगे या फिर आप वहाँ पे स्क्वायर करेंगे. नाउ हेयर आई हैव टेकन डायरेक्टली. नाउ सॉल्व इट. ऑन सॉल्विंग इट व्हाट वी विल गेट? माइनस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस एक्स, एंड इट इज 9 square. 9 square is 81. From this side it is equal to 2 square. We are using identities here. x square minus 2 into x plus minus 5 whole square. Which identities I have used? A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, which are equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a square plus b square minus 2ab. I have used these identities. Here minus 2 whole square 4 plus x square plus minus 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 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into x 4x plus 81 is equal to 2 square 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 25. From here 4 cancel out, x square cancel out. Now rearrange these terms, bring all x terms on left hand side. 4x minus 4x will come here and it will become plus 4x. 25 plus 81 minus 81, 8x is equal to, on subtracting we will get minus number. 11 minus 5 6, here 7 minus 2 5, x is equal to minus 56 by 8 and it is equal to minus 7. Now what are the coordinates of point? Coordinates of points which is are minus 7 0, which is equidistant from A and B. This is our question number 2. Now this is enough for today. What is your homework now? Homework to do exercise 7.1, question number 1 to 4 and 7 in fair notebook, and try its examples also. So thank you.